Hey guys, if you're looking to grow your hair super fast, but yet you have sensitive scalp, keep watching. Alrighty guys, make sure you stop by Walmart for $4.97 for the Sulfur 8 Light Formula. Next, you'll need Do Grow, but please make sure it is the light formula as well, which is $5.99. Can't beat that. Next is the Wild Growth Oil, $9.99. Again, you can't really beat that, but please make sure it's the light oil version. This option is, this next item is optional. It is the African Shea Butter. I love shea butter. But make sure you just have, if you are going to use a shea butter, please make sure you use a glass bowl to melt it down. And, Ghana, even though I'm not for Ghana, but that's not the point. Anyway, just cut out like maybe one fourth of the, shea butter and melt it down in your bowl. So first thing first, grab your Sulfur 8, and please make sure it is the light formula, please. Light formula, the blue container. Not only is the light formula smell wise it's light, but the texture is light as well. So anyway, you are going to scoop out 2 spoonfuls. Although my spoonfuls look mighty hefty, as you already know, if you have not watched my previous videos, I am heavy-handed and I am very extra, okay? So you will simply need 2 hefty spoonfuls, and you're just going to drop that into your bowl. Yes, again, if you're using shea butter, you can melt that down, but if not, just drop it into your bowl. Next is the Do Grow. Please, again, make sure it is the extra light original formula, okay? Oh my God, that looks so good. I love how Do Grow just fill it up to the max and it just looks so perfect. Anyway, with the same spoon, what was that? Okay, look, the same spoon, scoop out 2 scoops of the Do Grow as well. And you, of course, just dump that in the bowl. And by this time, you will see that your hair grease there is starting to melt a little bit. But if not, of course, go ahead and mix it up. You know the rules, guys. Flick that wrist. Flick the wrist. Okay. If you do not want to mix it by hand, like myself, you can simply grab your hand mixer and mix it together, because that will make life much easier. But I'm just extra in a hot mess, so I just like to mix it. Next thing you want to do is just grab your Wild Growth Oil. Again, please make sure it is the light oil moisturizer there. Make sure it is the light formula, okay? You're going to want to use, first thing first, shake it up, because you don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf there. But anyway, most importantly, you want to pour yourself 2 spoonfuls of the Wild Growth Oil. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The Wild Growth Oil, the light version, smells so much better. Oh my goodness. This whole version mixture right here, it smells so much better than my original mixture. Like, you guys have no idea. I honestly use this mixture on my kids, to be honest with you. But anyway, once you're mixing, if you're mixing by hand, you will notice that you will have lumps in your bowl, but that's okay. Just go ahead and smash it to the side of the bowl there, and that will help melt it down as well. But as you're mixing, you can definitely smell it. And again, it's not a bad smell. Like, I have this certain type of smell sensitivity going on. Yes, I said sensitivity, don't come for me. But this mixture, it smells so much better than my original formula, my original concoction that I made in my previous videos. If you want to stop by and see it, I'll put that in the description box. But yes, guys, by this time, you should have like a thick consistency, runny but thick liquidy consistency. How about that? Okay, you will basically notice that your mixture looks like honey, and my kids call it the gold honey formula, hair formula. But continue mixing. As time goes by, it will solidify. At this point, it's totally up to you if you would like your your mixture to sit out for a while and solidify all together, and then use a hand mixer and whip it up like a shea butter mixture, like a whipped shea butter. But if you do not, like myself, you don't have to. You can just simply leave it in the bowl and use it as is, or place it in a dispenser bottle once it's a tad bit cooler, like semi-warm, and apply it to your hair then, because it's best to use it when it's warm too. But don't burn yourself, okay? But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and have a good one.